Hello lovelies, how are you guys doing today? It's Ada's recipe here. I'm going to be showing you how to make the Milky Donut. Guys, this is very delicious. I'm going to be showing you the detailed video of how to make both the donut and the milk filling. Guys, this is a video you want to stick around till the end to watch because you're going to learn how to make this goodness. Continue watching as I walk you through. The first thing you're going to do is, of course, to sift your flour to trap unwanted particles. So next to go in is sugar, then salt, yeast, then you mix the dry ingredients together. Add your margarine, then rub in the margarine in the flour. So this is perfect. Make a hole, pour in the eggs. Here is milk flavor. Add your milk flavor, set aside. Pour in some warm water into a cup. Add your powdered milk. Mix, 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 mix. Add it to your flour content, then mix and mix and mix. So initially it's going to get sticky, no worries. We are going to be adding some flour little at a time to control the stickiness. So at first you're going to divide your flour and you'll be adding it little at a time to control the stickiness of the dough. And don't worry, I'm going to be leaving all the ingredients and measurements in the description box. So keep mixing, then you transfer to a floured surface. Then you knead. So this is where it gets interesting. You have to knead, then you sprinkle some flour to control the stickiness of the dough until it gets non-sticky but stretchy. As you guys can see, the end or the outcome of our dough is stretchy, and this is what we want. So next thing you're going to do is to transfer it into a floured bowl. Then you're going to cover it and we're going to leave it to sit and double in size. Okay, we're going to leave it for about 1 hour to double in size. So after an hour, this is what we have. As you guys can see, it has doubled in size. Okay, so the next is to deflate the dough. Then you continue to mix and knead. You knead for about 5 more minutes. So transfer to a floured surface, then you knead for some minutes. So the next thing you're going to do, we're going to cut out our dough. We are going to, of course, weigh the dough because we want it to be of equal sizes. So I have 70 grams of dough each. Okay, so it depends on you. You can choose 60, 80, it all depends on you, but the goal here is to make it to be of the same sizes. So here I have parchment paper where we're going to be dropping the dough. Okay, we want it to maintain a good shape, so that is why we have the parchment paper. So roll the dough very well like so, then you put it into a cut parchment paper or anything that works well with you that will enable you still maintain the shape of your dough. So roll your dough very well. So guys, this is what we have. So the next thing we are going to do is to cover it with a towel for about 20 more minutes. So after 20 minutes, this is how it looks like. The next thing is to heat up your oil and start frying. When you're frying, please fry on low medium heat. Guys, this donut was so delicious, and of course it's easy to make. So you're going to be flipping it over once a particular side has turned brown or golden brown. And once it's golden brown on both sides, you transfer to a paper towel to drain excess oil. So that's aside, we are going to be preparing our milk filling. In here is margarine, so we're going to be whisking it until it becomes soft and fluffy. So as you guys can see, the margarine has become soft and fluffy. So the next thing you are going to do is to add in powdered milk. Then you continue to mix. So we're going to be adding in condensed milk little at a time until we get the consistency we want. And at this point, you can also add lemon juice for extra flavor and taste. So there are different methods of making the milk filling. We have different ingredients with different methods. Okay, so this is one of them. And this is about the most simplest milk filling for donuts. So mix till you get the consistency you want, and I think this consistency is perfect. So that aside, here we have a donut, right? As you guys can see, guys, this was so yummy. We're going to be sprinkling some powdered milk on it. So here it depends on choice. You can sprinkle it all over, just make it get into the donut. But for me, I just wanted a little sprinkling, then place it into, something like this, because we are going to be filling in this donut with the milk filling. So here I have my piping bag. Pour in the milk filling into the piping bag. So this is what we have. We are going to cut it open using a scissors. Okay, so make a hole like so into the donut. So pipe in the milk filling. So guys, this is a recipe you should try out. Okay, and as you guys can see, it's easy to come up with. I get your back when it comes to making recipes as easy as this. Recipes that seems kind of difficult, and I just make it as easy, and of course it's easy to come up with. Are you seeing a milky donut, guys? Hope you're going to be trying this out. It was so yummy. Thank you so much, guys. See you in my next one. Bye.